Hey everyone, Mark here, and today we're making another dip, a cool and creamy whipped feta dip, or a whipped feta dip. All right, so say it with me. When I dip, you dip, we dip. So first, let's grab a small bunch of parsley. We're gonna finely chop it up. You're gonna place it in a bowl and set aside. In a dry pan on medium to high heat, we're gonna toast our pine nuts. But we gotta keep an eye on them because we don't wanna burn our nuts. They smell so good when they're toasting. Shake your nuts around a bit until they're evenly browned. Once they look like this, you can set aside. Now we're gonna make the mixture that we put on top of the whipped feta dip. Grab the bowl that had the parsley in it, and now we're gonna add some chili flakes, oregano, salt, freshly cracked pepper, the zest of half a lemon, pine nuts, and a generous glug of extra virgin olive oil. Mix to combine and set aside. Time for the dip. You're gonna grab your food processor. We're gonna add about 250 grams of crumbled feta, and then we're gonna add 125 grams of cream cheese. I know I'm packing a lot of cheese into this food processor, but I want my dip and I want a lot of it. Add the juice of about half a lemon. Watch out for the seeds like I didn't. Add a couple cracks of freshly cracked pepper, a splash of water, this will help thin out the dip, and about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then process until smooth or until your liking. If you want the dip to be a bit more thin, you can add either more water or extra virgin olive oil. If you like it a little thicker, just leave it as is and don't process it as much. I like mine a little bit thinner, but to each their own. Now we can plate it in a bowl. You can use a spatula to smooth it all out so that it looks pretty when we put the topping on. Add your topping and enjoy with pita, crackers, chips, whatever you want. Now let's see what kind of dipper you are. This is a great dip for parties, or you can make it for yourself. The parsley mixture on top just really gives it that punch of flavor. And look how creamy this is. So creamy. All right, so I'm gonna go all Jerry Seinfeld on you and ask the question, what kind of dipper are you? So are you the ratio dipper? The one that puts so much dip on the chip that it can't handle it? Are you a streak dipper? The one that just goes right across the whole dip? Are you an in-and-out dipper? The one that just goes in and out? Are you a double dipper? I'm not gonna show you. We all know what that is. Are you a dig dug dipper? The one that just dips all the way until it hits the bottom of the bowl? Are you an abandoned dipper? The one that just goes in for a dip, the chip cracks, and you just leave it? There's all types of dippers out there, but there's one dipper that we all should strive to be, and that is the courteous dipper. So let me know in the comments what kind of dipper you are. And as always, full recipe in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.